Want to create or set up an Instagram business account on your iPhone or Android? Let me show you how. First, you have to open up your Instagram app, select create new account, enter your phone number or email. If you use email, type it in and hit next. A verification code will be sent to you. If not, create a strong password, then press next again. Choose whether to save your login info by selecting save. Now enter your date of birth and hit next. Now add your full name, then choose or customize a username that fits your business. Now agree to Instagram's terms by selecting I agree. Now set up your profile picture. Now hit next, and when asked, you can decline access to your contacts if you prefer. Now follow the setup prompt, enable notification if you like. Now let's switch to a business account. Select the three-line menu at the top right and scroll down a little and choose account type and choose. From here, pick switch to professional account and hit next. Choose your business category and hit switch to professional account. Now select business when prompted, then press next. Enter your business details like your address, phone number, or many more options. Now press next again and you can connect your Instagram to your Facebook account. Now complete your profile by adding more business info, introducing yourself and sharing details about your services. You can also apply for meta verification or start inviting people to grow your audience. Once everything is set, close the setup screen and your Instagram business profile will be ready to go. And that's it. The process is exactly same for your Android devices. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.